Yes. Good evening, guys. Thank you so much. And there is a stock here. I want to tell you before market open tomorrow. So we have the stock. We have a stock here, guys, which is they are saying this is going to be breaking out very soon. They call Tebwire Brand Corporation. Tech symbol DUB, and the stock it break out on let me see, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. So it break out on Monday. Send stock to moon before stock cool down, and this is what I'm hoping AMC and Kemso is going to do tomorrow. The same thing after retracing for 4 days. So they call table. So table it break out from less than $1. Right now we're trading $2.2, and this thing, guys, is ready to go to moon, because when you see this type of charts over here, whenever stock is above, and also the stock had earnings on okay, the stock had earnings on they will have earnings on Monday, which is tomorrow, and the stock's already skyrocket right now. As we're talking, is 32%, and I can say that's nothing. That's nothing for this stock. This stock is massive opportunity to go to moon, and I want to reduce my to add my time frame to see the stock like a history, because this thing is spiking, guys. So when you see over here like a weekly, you see last year June 2023 it was 59 cents. It did a double bottom. It sent all the way from that price to almost $10. So you see over here in the data they say it reached $5, but we know this thing went more than that. It came down, and you see the same volume started from here. It's already started from here, and also you see the candlestick which is started from here, which is I think is almost 1 month ago. This is and we close with this huge, and it's coming with a MEMS time to skyrocket, and many things which is going on right now. So let's see the candlesticks on whenever stock is breaking like here, it's going to skyrocket. It's the same thing which is this week, which is going to happen. This thing is going to be parallel, and I'm following those people who are squeezing the stocks. They are this stock is on radar, and now this one is easy to break that $5, very easy, because right now momentum of the meme stock is there, and the candlestick we had over here, which is I've already told you this thing is going to be a massive breakout. And I was watching this stock. This thing is was more than even $100. I don't know if they did a lot of splits. Yeah, so this thing was more than $50. And let me put on monthly. You see what's going on monthly now. Things get started. This thing started all the way the previous years. It started, you see, this is 2009. It started around $7. This stock was growing. Remember, this stock has been here for a long time. It went all the way, and this is 2023, when in fact even 2018 this thing is also already started coming down. It dipped like here. It makes some massive breakouts. 2021, this is the COVID time. It takes down to $39. We trade all the way downtrend. So every time you see here, we have this like a downtrend on monthly chart. After breaking out, it went all the way. Right now we are now starting another downtrend, which it was just like this, and we have this another accumulation stage, which is around 59 or 55 cents. And now you see on monthly, this thing is going to break out this next month on May. This guys is at a wide base, and you remember guys, anything which it has, this is a fish shape, and then this is I don't know what's the type of the bottoms, but this one you see, this as we call here distribution, and then this they call accumulation, and then now this thing is going to start it. So I think now it's time to make millions. You know, most of us guys we didn't buy the big tech like Nvidia, and we have right now the times for 2021. So this was 2021, and now this big piece. And let me see if I will have another. I've already shown you on EMA. You see this one. This thing was already oversold. So $12 will be the next resistance on a monthly, and when you reduce our time frame, we see right now we're on resistance which is around 31 cents. Let's call 31 cents. Imagine guys, you see this thing was downtrend, coughing like that, and remember that's a weekly, and if we break this week, it's going to happen like here, this uptrend. So we believe everything is going to be favoring the meme stocks. So I say this is the accumulation stage, and let's say this on daily. This daily is awesome. So above $1.30, very extremely bullish. So I don't know what will be going to happen tomorrow before market opening, but this one is a current one. It's going to have break out on Monday. Let's see on what is the automatic. These guys have something like automatic. They will tell me resistance support. So like here on daily, they tell you right now when stock was here, this was it was a resistance, we break it, and then this was resistance, we break it, became a support, we break this one, that's why I come to support for huge cap. This one he break all the way. Now we are on here, which is tomorrow we are above the resistance. So things is going to be different tomorrow. But if you wanted the smaller time frame, use 45 minutes just. So, and 45 minutes just will tell you what we are above the resistance. So, and what I'm always using, always whenever you break this resistance, you see this one, you break resistance, it's always stock is coming back to test the support. And if you don't know, if you want to believe it, let me prove for GME, GameStop, or I like. So when you see on GameStop, this thing happened the same thing. GameStop, after breaking the resistance or the support you see over here, it went all the way. It's called rocket. That's why guys, the name of the rocket is when you break your major resistance and nothing above here. But at the end of the day, when you are going to fall, you are going to fall where is no support. Like you fall from here, come from moon, come to heart, and that happened on the GME. Come on to heart, it tested this support, and then after raking here, where that news company issued they were not going to make any more profit, revenue, like more, like there's something bad. Company comment on Friday morning, and then the stock now going to down. So we are right now on this support, which is around 21, and that maybe will be the last support, because this already I've told you this scenario here. You see they call what the name they call accumulation stage on 45 minutes. And if you want to see on a daily, so the daily is going to tell you this thing, it was called a free fall. And I'm going to bring more things that I'm telling you. You see this one He went all the way because he break all the way. Remember, this is the resistance that we were waiting around 18. But what happened to GME? He say, "Oh, bye bye guys, it's time to take our break out." He went all the way. That's why this will be our support. And next support, which is now on daily, which is daily is telling you a frame. And another thing that you need to watch about GME again, there is a lot of theory here. On Friday evening, there is a lot of volume coming. That you see the stock close green. Yeah, you have some green with volume here, and that's why I'm believing tomorrow we are going to start seeing some volume coming in. There will be small red, and then on Tuesday is now rocketing. So this thing is going to be rocket anytime. And another one which here I don't want to FEI. The same thing happened to there is something happened to this stock EI. What IE? Yeah, Faraday. The same thing happened to Faraday, and this where I was telling people, you sell anything, this thing is going to be coming around 0.4 guys. Sorry for that, I have some hiccup. Yeah, so this thing is coming here. You saw GME. I'm telling you, doesn't have any support right now. I don't know who, and maybe you guys remember this thing right now is driven by the wells, and the wells is always a well is a well, and a well is always know how to play the game. So for me, I'm expecting another 3 days, Monday to drop somewhere, Tuesday, and then this support which you see 0.2. Maybe another support will come tomorrow. I can't remember guys. Every time you see over here, you have a several supports. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like, and see you on next video. Let me brief about AMC, but I've already do a lot of videos of AMC. AMC is safe. AMC already found you break the first support. You see, you break a lot of supports, but now I hope this candlestick which is I see over here, this is anything as you see the tall one, this one is going to pull to another green candlestick, and it's time to go to moon. Let's see, let me tomorrow.